Hi everyone! You are on the SAS Reviews channel. My name is Ian, and today we will talk about the Signal app review. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's go! Signal is a secure messaging app that has gained popularity in recent years as people seek privacy and security in their online communications. The app is known for its end-to-end encryption, which means that only the sender and receiver can read the messages and no one else, including the app itself, can access the content. One of the most significant advantages of Signal is its privacy features. The app does not collect any user data, including contacts, location, or message content, which is a significant concern for many people in the era of data breaches and online surveillance. Additionally, the app allows users to set up disappearing messages, which means that messages will be automatically deleted after a set amount of time, adding an extra layer of privacy. Another significant advantage of Signal is its usability. The app has a clean and straightforward interface, making it easy for users to navigate and use. The app also includes features such as group chats, voice and video calls, and the ability to send multimedia files, making it a viable alternative to popular messaging apps like WhatsApp and iMessage. Signal also offers features that prioritize security, such as a safety number that verifies the authenticity of the sender and receiver, protecting users from man-in-the-middle attacks. The app also allows users to enable a screen lock feature, which adds an extra layer of security in case the user's phone is stolen or lost. In terms of drawbacks, one potential disadvantage of Signal is that it may not be as widely used as other messaging apps, making it difficult to communicate with people who are not using the app. Additionally, while the app has a user-friendly interface, it may take some time for new users to understand the various security features and how they work. In conclusion, Signal is a secure and user-friendly messaging app that prioritizes privacy and security. The app's end-to-end encryption, privacy features, and usability make it a popular choice for people looking for a secure messaging app. However, its limited user base and potential learning curve may make it less accessible to some users. Overall, Signal is an excellent choice for those who prioritize privacy and security in their online communications. That was the SAS Reviews and Ian. See the link to app in the description. See you soon. Have a great day.